Welcome back, Hot Wheels and diecast collectors. I have the new AutoWorld 2021 Release 2 that arrived today. And this is version A, and these are version B. And we are going to open these up. And maybe, just maybe, there'll be a chase. So these are from 3000toys.com, and if you want to order these, you can order so from them. These I purchased, I pre-ordered quite a while ago when they first showed up on their website, and they arrived today. So, and they've already got other pre-orders available. So if you want AutoWorld by the case, you can go to them or another hobby dealer, or wait for these to show up in Walmart. So here is number 6 in the series. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado in Mandarin Orange Poly. So that's pretty cool looking. True land yacht, luxury cruisers, as it says up there. So that looks good. So that's the tooling that they've used before. And obviously AutoWorld is getting more and more popular as we can see that their numbers are increasing. For example, here we go, 16,904 being made of this. The cool thing is if you're after the chases as well, increased number means an increased chance of getting chases because there are more out there, right? The proportions are still the same. I think they're like 2% or 3% or whatever of the total number made. So you still only have the percentage-wise it's the same, but there are more to be had, right? This is number 5 in the release, 1982 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side in a really, really dark blue. And actually, if you go to AutoWorldStore.com, they have a Silverado that's an AutoWorld Store exclusive that's in that kind of distressed look that looks really, really cool. Here is number 4, so I guess we're going backwards in the numbered cars of the release. So here we have the 1963 Chevy 2 Nova 400 Wagon in saddle tan poly with a beige roof, which looks pretty good. I like that a lot. I like that some of these card arts are, sometimes it's the front of the car and sometimes the back of the car. Here we have the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in Destroyer Gray. That's like a glossy, almost primer color. Black hood. Looks pretty cool. I wonder if they're supposed to have different, if the wheels are supposed to be like thicker in the back and thinner in the front. These are all the same size. But I thought that the Demon, well, I don't know. Here is the 2019 Chevy Camaro Zl1 1LE, number 2 in the release in Crush Orange. So that looks pretty good. I think the Camaro suffers from a little bit of overstyling, which is definitely hard to render in 1/64th scale, but AutoWorld does a good job. And last for the Series 1 is going to be the 2020 Chevy Corvette, all new tooling. This one in black, which looks really, really good. I do like the new Corvette, at least from the front and from the side. From the rear, it needs a little something. I don't know. I don't know what I'd do different, but not a huge fan of the rear. All right, so that's the first release A. Let's take care of release B. Here we go. We'll start from the back as well, like we did with the others. So here is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado in Jennifer Blue with the white vinyl top. Looks pretty good. Next is going to be the 1982 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side in black. Red interior. Looks pretty good. I like the ones that are simple. Here is the 1963 Chevy 2 Nova 400 Wagon in Azure Aqua Poly. No cream top on this one. It's all the same color. Which looks nice. Nice. Next we have the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in yellow jacket. A nice bright yellow. Little Demon logo right there. This one has a black and trunk roof accent, not just the hood, which is a nice difference between this one. I like that they're not just like a straight up recolor, but sometimes if they change up some of the details between version A and version B. Here is the 2019 Chevy Camaro Zl1 1LE in satin steel gray, which is really more like a silver on the casting instead of like a gray, but looks cool. Blacked out rims, painted headlight and taillight details. Pretty cool. And lastly, it is the 2020 Chevy Corvette in Arctic White. So there you go. There is the 2021 release 2, version A and version B. No chases for me today, but that's okay. I will try to probably get one of these Corvettes in the Ultra Red, because I really think that that's going to look pretty cool. I don't know if I'm going to hunt for any of the others. Are you going to look out for this set? Which ones are you going to pick up? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to subscribe, that would really help me out. Give this channel a like, and we'll talk to you next time. Which one's your favorite release? Let me know.